Good morning everyone. So today is 16th of January 2023 and this video is of yesterday as we were traveling from Cudapah to Vellore. Actually we traveled from Pulivendula to Cudapah. We had to come by auto. Generally buses are available, APSRTC buses are there, but yesterday as it was Makar Sankranti, on behalf of that there were very less number of vehicles available, especially buses were very less as it's a big festival for Andhra people. So we waited for around 1 hour in RTC bus stand and finally we decided to come by auto itself, and we took an auto from Pulivendula to Cudapah, which is around 70 kilometers from there. So that auto driver charged us 1500 rupees. Actually he was asking for 1800. Then we had to bargain and finally he agreed for 1500. And it took us around 1.5 hours from Pulivendula to Cudapah. Generally by bus it takes 2 hours because bus has many stoppages on the way to Cudapah. And this video is from Cudapah to Vellore, especially from Cudapah to Raichurti. The mountains are really beautiful and it is uphills. Well, of course this video where you are seeing, this one is down the hills. We have already arrived lowland. So all the mountains are really beautiful and very different from one another. They are unique in their own way, and I was enjoying the moment, so I tried to capture it. Earlier once we had traveled, but that time as we were really tired, so I couldn't capture. But this time I had decided, because we were traveling daytime. Generally we travel during night, but as it was holiday yesterday, so it was possible for us to travel during daytime, and I was able to capture all this. Night time there nothing will be visible, and this video is we were about to reach Chittoor. From Chittoor to Vellore, on the way this is the view, and there are lots of coconut trees over there. And as it was festival, so people were in festive mood. Of course many moments I couldn't capture on time, but whatever was possible I have tried to capture it. And you can see the pebble mountains, lots of pebbles are there and rocks are there, so mountains are really beautiful and amazing view. Hope you have a great day. Stay healthy, stay happy, have a nice day, take care.